Pivothead Pro.
All right. Is the shooter ready? Stand by.
That was dumb.
Was it dumb or round dumping? So it was a slide like we did. Slide forward, hammer down. Go. 1285.
And I thought I was going to run out of ammo.
I thought you were too.
Good one. You waited.
We have
two. All right. Shooter understand course fire. Is the shooter ready? Stand by. Shooting down, unload, show clear. Slide forward, hammer down. Go ahead and holster. Ready to say, time, 13:24. I got 0, 0, 1, 1.
I do the same thing on both of those.
The last score is 0, 0, 1, 1.
Load Mick ready. This one took me like 6 times to get right too. Is the shooter ready? Stand by. Yeah.
Oh, those are low.
Clear. Slide forward, hammer down.
I thought it was 1 on everything then.
Just near the far.
Oh, okay.
It's just, you know. What was the time? Time, 9:27.
He did it right?
He did it right.
Okay.
0, 0. Looks like 0.
2.
And 2.
He's scoring
Trying to hear
right.
everyone say, "Oh, I can't. My wife won't let us." So now he's got to jump.
Go ahead,
in
load
on
Mick
it.
ready. Yeah, he's about to learn how expensive a piece of tail is.
Yeah.
Is the shooter ready?
She's a runner.
Stand by.
She's a marathon runner. So,
If you finish firing all those extra shots, unload and show clear.
I got one extra shot.
You did.
One extra.
13:01.